Where to find the Sharp Aquos Smart TV App Store.
Hey there! Welcome to our video on finding the Sharp Aquos Smart TV App Store. If you're a proud owner of a Sharp Aquos Smart TV and you're wondering where to find the App Store, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to locate the App Store on your Sharp Aquos Smart TV. So, let's get started.
Accessing the home menu.
The first step is to access the home menu on your Sharp Aquos Smart TV. To do this, you'll need to grab your TV remote and look for the button labeled Home. Pressing this button will take you to the main home menu of your TV.
Navigating to the App Store.
Once you're in the home menu, you'll notice various options and icons on your screen. Look for the icon that represents the Apps or Applications section. It typically looks like a grid of squares or a shopping bag. This icon is your gateway to the App Store on your Sharp Aquos Smart TV. Using the arrow keys on your TV remote, navigate to the Apps or Applications section and press the OK or Enter button to enter the App Store.
Browsing and installing apps.
Congratulations! You have successfully entered the Sharp Aquos Smart TV App Store. Here, you'll find a wide range of apps available for download and installation. You can browse through different categories, such as entertainment, games, lifestyle, and more. Using the arrow keys on your remote, navigate through the available apps and highlight the one you want to install. Once you've selected an app, press the OK or Enter button to view more details about the app, such as its description, ratings, and reviews. To install an app, simply select the Install or Download button, and the app will begin downloading and installing on your Sharp Aquos Smart TV. Depending on the size of the app and your internet connection speed, the installation process may take a few moments.
Launching installed apps.
After the installation is complete, you can access the installed apps directly from your Sharp Aquos Smart TV's home menu. Some apps may also be accessible through dedicated buttons on your TV remote or via voice commands if your TV supports them. To launch an installed app, navigate to the Apps or Applications section on the home menu, select the app you want to use, and press the OK or Enter button. The app will open, and you can start enjoying its features and content on your Sharp Aquos Smart TV. That's it. You now know how to find and access the Sharp Aquos Smart TV App Store. Remember, the App Store is your one-stop shop for downloading and installing various apps on your Sharp Aquos Smart TV, allowing you to expand its functionality and enjoy a personalized entertainment experience. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and happy app exploring!